lovely people, welcome back to my channel guys. And today guys I'm going to show you what I grabbed in Primark, Home Bargains, B&M, and I forgot. Oh my god, let me see this, because you know I went to Home Bargains today and I saw this Christmas tree 9cm, and I thought at first that it's not real. I thought it's like fake, but actually it's really real. Because some of this, they put some glitter, something like snowy, so I feel like it's fake. But it's only £2. So I hope I can keep it alive. So this is the first purchase. Actually, this one is like different day from Primark and from Primark, different two shops and Home Bargains like that. This one I bought again piecemeally because last time I really like it, the one that I purchased. From £8 becomes £6 because I have a Morrison card. And this time, I grabbed this, but since they just put it near to the window, it's like damaged. Not damaged, like look at this. Yeah, so I hope I can revive it. It's not so like, it's not like the same way that the last one. But anyway, it's still £6, so why not? I hope I can, you know, make it healthy again. Not that healthy, you can see some yellows already here because it's too cold, and supposedly I want to buy more. Unfortunately, the other stairs are really like dead. Yeah, I don't know how can I make it alive. Okay, and another from Home Bargains is this one. This is just £5, and last year I purchased the gingerbread, or no, candy cane, and it's still working so good. So I know it's for £5, it's worth it. And I have actually Amazon also here. Let me show you this Amazon because I opened this. Let's see. Okay, so this one, I hope it's not damaged. It's because they just put it in the garden. So this is for I have a printer. Oh, it's a bit different kind. Oh, it's a bit different. What is this? Yeah, label tape. It's for Nelco. Yeah, but looks different, guys. So, and it's £16, just 3 pieces. So anyway, let's see that. Then another Amazon. They send different time. Even I purchased it at the same time. And then this one, this is 2. I used the other one already, and it's nice because you know it's dual. And here, oh, we have Morrisons. Another Morrisons. Look at this. This is tennis, table tennis. You know, guys, this is supposedly £2. This is supposedly £10, and I purchased it for £2. And I wanted to buy more, but I'm not so sure. But yeah, £2, guys, so cheap, yeah. And then in Primark, this would be like random. Primark, I purchased this sandal. Okay, I purchased this sandal. I'm not so sure if it's because you know last times I purchased a New Look dress, and it's almost like glittery silver like that. So I think I will wear it. I will attend a Christmas party, but I'm not so sure because it will be cold that time, I guess. So yeah, but I think I will wear it because I'm thinking to buy this or another like this sparkling silver boots, but I'm not sure. I'm still thinking actually. So yeah, this is £22. But they don't have so many, so I just grabbed, even though there's a little damage here. So I said okay, because they don't have other size also, so I'll just grab it. And then this blender sponge, 50p sell. It's 150 supposedly, and then I bought it 50p. And then 50p from 150 must again. You know, if it sell, I will buy it. And £1 to 50p only. And oh, another one. Another one. Because of the price, 50 pence. That's it. And the last from Primark, I think this is the last, is a thermal vest for my son. My son doesn't complain about the cold, but I just think maybe it's good if you have this, you know, especially if they will go somewhere far. This is 10 pounds for 4 pieces. I have another Amazon here. Actually, I'm waiting for one more order. Oh, okay. This is the bra that I ordered. And I ordered more actually. Okay, what is this? I don't know. Does it look nice? This is the bra. And they have also nipple. Oh, okay. Oh, this is actually black and... yeah. Black and nude. Alright. I will try it. Hopefully. Okay. Still waiting for others. And then in... what else I purchased? Okay. Then another Home Bargains. I bought this because my old one is damaged. And then this make today a good... yeah. I like to write, so it's good to use it. And then the classic one, beauty cream bar. And this is from Home Bargains, pens. And then Garnier. This is the one that is okay with my hair. You know, it's not so expensive, so it's good. And it's easy to use. And then here is crayons. It's cheaper actually. And then apple cider vinegar. I like the one, another brand, but they don't have there. And they just have this. So it's okay, better than nothing. And then stapler. Oh, I didn't see in B&M. Actually, I'm looking for a bit bigger stapler. So this one, I think it's okay. And it's not so expensive also. And then some glue. No more. And then today, this is in B&M, guys. I opened it already. It's really tasty. It's really tasty. Look at that. I like peanuts, so. This is cashew. Sorry, cashew. Cashew nuts. And then I like biscuits. This one is in Morrison's actually. It's like 6 pounds. And this one, I think in Morrison's also. Okay. Next is, this is from Home Bargains. Oh no, B&M. My son just grabbed this. He likes this one. Then B&M for laundry. This is from B&M crackers. Because for for Christmas, just we will eat this and something, you know. We cannot finish if I cook so much. Just this gravy and some biscuits. This one, non-stick paper, baking paper. This is egg. This is from Home Bargains, the egg. It's cheaper actually there. And then from B&M, just 1 pound, guys. You should buy it. It's very cheap. And then we become hungry, so we get some crepes there. And this is in Home Bargains. Yeah, Home Bargains or B&M. Forgot. Home Bargains or B&M. But this one is Home Bargains because it's cheaper than in the Boots. Non-stick oven. This is really nice. It's because I realized before I have like some glass, and the problem with glass or ceramic, it's very heavy. So I prefer it like this now when I want to do some use in the oven like this, because it's you know, it's lighter than the ceramic or the glass one. And then some paper bag. And this is, we just grab it guys because sometimes we like to eat this, but it's not healthy. We don't eat this always, but sometimes. And this is in Home Bargains, so I can put some gifts for the teacher like that. Yeah, and it's how much? 79 pence only. Season greetings. Yeah, this is nice. That's it guys. I'm just going to arrange this and I'll see you next time.